I mean, I see that a marriage between one man and one woman is healthy, um, fulfilling, and it just it's right. Um, I just can't imagine any other way, to be honest. Um, I I have to admit I just can't really understand why someone would want uh, a homosexual relationship and want to make it permanent. That idea is foreign to me. I don't have any uh, ill feelings toward gay people. I'm not out to bash them. I don't, fear them and panic or anything of that sort. Um, I do feel that what they're doing is wrong, and it's going to sooner or later hurt them. And so, as one human being to another, you hope to be able to reach out and show them a way that's better. I believe that based on my reading of the Bible, God clearly says marriage is one man and one woman, and in addition condemns homosexuality in multiple places. It's actually interesting to note that there's not a lot of places where people of the uh, Islamic faith and the Jewish faith agree, but actually Jewish writings, Islamic writings, and the Bible all condemn homosexuality. Some people talk about separation of church and state, and certainly you don't want them unduly influencing each other, but the church and our relationship with God is really a foundation for our life, and therefore a foundation for what we believe and do as citizens. If gay marriage were allowed in Minnesota, my primary concern would actually be for children who don't have any protection and would be brought into or adopted into those kinds of families uh, in a situation where, as I said, they don't have control, they can't protect themselves. Um, Aside from that, I believe that it weakens society as a whole. If you don't have strong families, you don't have strong communities, you don't have strong cities and states. And therefore, the more that we can promote healthy families, then we have healthy children, healthy schools, healthy communities. I've seen, other cases where the parent-child relationship is so important that the parent essentially says, whatever my child wants to do, I'm going to call that right. Um, I feel that that's not the role that we're called to as parents. That as parents, we are responsible for teaching what's right, encouraging what is right. Certainly, when a child becomes an adult, they make their own decisions. But I wouldn't encourage them to do something wrong.